everyone, it is Monday morning. It is birthday party week. The twins' first birthday party is on Saturday. They are both 1 now. They turned 1 on Thursday. They had a great birthday. So it is 8:30 in the morning. We are sitting here eating our breakfast and I'm drinking my coffee. Daddy went to work a while ago. Breakfast has been an interesting situation this morning. I thought that we would try something new and do some oatmeal, and they wouldn't even try it. Like, they literally would not let me put it in their mouth. So I'm sitting here eating oatmeal with the baby spoon. And so then I gave them some Cheerios and some blackberries, but the blackberries were like, I don't know, they were really mushy, and they, like, the I guess it's called the pit, like the hard center part of the blackberry, it was really hard to like take it off of that without it just like disintegrating. So now we're having Cheerios and freeze-dried apples because mommy wanted to keep it simple this morning, and I guess that's what I get for trying to do something the easy way. It is 9 o'clock. We finished our breakfast, got cleaned up, and got our clothes on for the day. And now we're just sitting on the floor playing. This is what we got them for their birthday. This little like soft play set thing. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's another piece. Oh, over here, 6 pieces. And it's just for them to climb on and play on, and our physical therapist recommended it, and it will be good for several years. Isaac has got up on this slope thing and I'm afraid he's gonna fall off, but maybe he won't. Adeline, are you 1 now? Oh yeah, she toppled over a while ago and hit her head. She's okay now. Are you wanting to say hi? Say hi. Are you a ham? Can you? Oh, Adeline's waving. Adeline, say hi. 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 He's so cute. Isaac, can you say hi? Isaac. He's like, I am too busy playing. So the babies are out for a nap. It is like 10 o'clock and I have so much to do for party prep. So I'm in the office that I have rarely been in like, well, basically since they've been born. Okay, let's see here. So I'm just gonna plan out my week a little bit and then get started. Sitting here playing with Miss Adeline. She woke up from her nap before her brother. I managed to get some lunch before they woke up, and I'm waiting for Isaac to wake up before I feed the twins lunch. But yeah, so I was working on some party decor, and then we got a phone call with some not great news, and we might have to reschedule our party. But we'll see. So that would be very disappointing if we had to, but we'll do what we have to do to keep everyone safe, huh, sis? Yup.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Orange?
Oh.
Orange. You have the orange and the red one? I love watching her little gears turn in her head. It is 1:15 and Isaac finally woke up from his nap, and I am making their lunch. They are going to have some Annie's mac and cheese, some veggie straws, and some watermelon. I have made a little bit more progress on the party decor. I will show you guys a little bit here and there. I'm having a really hard time like remembering to pick up the camera today, and also get stuff done. But I'm trying. I know the more I practice and do this, the easier it'll come, like the more natural it'll come. But I'm also trying to be active on Instagram stories, which if you don't follow me, you should follow us on Instagram. It is at usandthedog.yt. These are the veggie straws that I get. They are by Earth's Best. They have significantly less sodium in them than just the regular veggie straws. And their speech therapist really likes these because they have to like bite them off or whatever. They've never had them before. This is what the twins are having for lunch. I have no idea if they will eat all of it. Probably not. Isaac is really bad about throwing his food on the floor right now, so we shall see. Also, I don't know where my glasses went. I took them off somewhere and I'm not sure. Adeline approves of the veggie straws. Isaac, of course, goes straight for the fruit. He loves fruit. Eat up. I found my glasses. Thank you. The kids are down for their second nap of the day. It is 3:15. I am making an afternoon cup of coffee, and I'm also going to try to figure out what I'm cooking for dinner. I got out of the habit of cooking dinner, and it is time to get back on the... I don't really know what expression I was going for there. Back on track. That's where we were trying to go. So I think I'm going to cook, guys, we have been having, okay, I guess we're deep cleaning the fridge today. Okay, look at this. So this morning my raspberries exploded back here, and I got most of it cleaned up, but I thought, oh, later this afternoon I will take this shelf off. And then I just opened up this drawer, and that's disgusting. So, looks like we are deep cleaning this mess today. I know I'm being dramatic, but like, I really don't want to do this. All right, here we go.
have buttermilk, you can use regular milk and white vinegar or lemon juice. I use lemon juice because that's what I had to make buttermilk. And so that's what we are doing for our buttermilk fried chicken. Because I'm not going to use egg because Isaac is allergic, and I will give him like I'll give him like the inside of it, I guess. I guess I could bake some for them. Probably be better, but anyway, yeah, so you just squirt your lemon juice and milk, and then you let it set for a little bit and it kind of curdles. So anyway, I have the chicken and baking dishes down here. You can't see it, but there is one. Raw meat is gross to me. Like, I do not enjoy cooking raw meat. And then here is two. So different cuts, and then I'm just going to pour the buttermilk in it and put some lids on it and put it in the fridge. And then here in like an hour, probably, I will start frying it. So I guess we're going to have a like Southern home cooked meal tonight, which is honestly, like, I love eating it. I do not like cooking it. I do not like I do not like cooking like Southern home cooked meals. I don't know why. It's a lot of work. Like frying, and it heats up the kitchen and it smokes up the kitchen, and it's just like.
So it is the next day. I totally forgot to end the vlog last night, but we had a really good dinner. It turned out so good. It was worth all the hard work. We had friends over. We had a wonderful meal with them. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and end the vlog and ask you to like and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in the next one.